Measurements. Learning how to measure things. Looks as if Rani seems to be taller than her brother Ravi. All of us need to measure things. How tall you are, or how heavy you are. Is the shopkeeper giving me the right number of chocolates? And are they of the correct weight? We like to know how far school is from home, how much time it takes to reach home too. We need to know how much cloth is required to stitch that new frock or shirt. We need to know how hot or cold it is in a day. We also like to find out how much rain has fallen in a day or how much has fallen in a month. So, what do we measure? We measure length, distance, time, weight, temperature, rainfall, and volume. Today, we shall learn about different instruments that are used to measure each of these, and we shall also learn about how to use them. Length. How do you know what is your shoe size? You measure the length. By length, we measure how long something is from end to end. That's a size 5. Length is measured in meter. We use a ruler or a meter rod or a measuring tape to measure length. The meter rod is divided into 100 equal divisions called centimeters. So, 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Each centimeter is divided into 10 smaller divisions called millimeters. So, 10 millimeters make up 1 centimeter. A ruler measures length in centimeters and millimeters. A measuring tape measures length in meters and centimeters. Very long distances are measured in kilometers. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. We use a balance or a weighing machine. There are different kinds of balances. The balances we see are something you see in your local grocery or vegetable store. We place the weight in one pan and then balance it with your groceries on the other pan. We weigh ourselves with the help of a weighing machine. We measure smaller weights in milligrams. Gold is measured in milligrams and grams. 1000 milligrams are equal to 1 gram. Larger weights are measured in kilograms. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. We all know how to read time, right? Time is measured with the help of a watch or a clock. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, and hours. The face of a watch or clock is divided into 12 parts. Each part shows 1 hour. We have the second hand, the minute hand, and then we have the hour hand. The second hand goes around one full circle, making 60 seconds. 60 seconds makes up 1 minute. The minute hand goes around once, and 60 minutes makes up 1 hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. Some of the ways people read the time included the sundial. We had the hourglass. Pendulum clocks were also popular. We measure liquids like water, milk, and medicines by volume. We get milk bottles or milk packets that are of half-liter or 1-liter volumes. We use special jars marked in millimeters and liters to measure the volume of liquids. We pour these liquids into the jars and read the volume against the marking on the jar. 1000 milliliters measures up to 1 liter. We measure temperature of things with the help of a thermometer. Yup, that's what mommy or the doctor sticks in your mouth when you are running a temperature. A clinical thermometer measures our body temperature from 34 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius. Our normal temperature should be around 37 degrees Celsius. Anything higher means we have a fever. A room temperature measures temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. It's raining a lot. Wondered how we measure how much it has rained? We have the rain gauge. The rain gauge collects the rainwater, which is measured in millimeters and centimeters. Summary. We've learned to measure length, weight, time, volume, and temperature. Keep measuring.